Alright guys, we're here with Joel from Outback Jolly, and for today's video we've got something different. So we're going to do a Lego build challenge. We've got 30 seconds to pick as much Lego from the bag as possible, and then we need to build cars with these bases, and then we're going to put the cars down the ramp and see how they survive.
But there's one catch. When we're building them, we're going to be blindfolded, so we can't see what we're doing at all.
And we've got about 10 minutes to build them, so let's see how that goes. Alright, Joel's gonna go first with his 30 seconds, and it starts now.
Dinosaur, oh no, was it Jaguar? Cougar. I'm gonna pick the most random one.
"15 seconds. Alright, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, stop.
Alright, Tom's turn now. He's got 30 seconds. And go.
Alright, yeah, we could do with a door. Shark's head. Maybe a tree.
20 seconds.
Some blocks. Random person. That spinny thing, that could be useful. A gun.
6 seconds. 5, 4,
random
3,
thing. That.
2,
A tree.
1. Alright, let's see what we got.
Alright, so some pretty random bits we got there. I mean, I don't quite know what we're gonna do with a tree, but let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so we've shortened the time to 5 minutes because we didn't pick as many parts as we thought we would, but let's get this underway. So we'll get Simone to press the timer for us to make it all official, and we'll get ourselves blindfolded.
If it fits.
It fits. I know I've got a big head, but it fits.
No, I mean mine.
You
No.
need to put it on.
Yeah, if you can. I can't tie that to save my life. Let's try again.
Do you need me to tie it? No, you're good.
I've got it.
All right, ready?
Shit.
3,
Have you got the timer?
1. Yep. Go.
Alright, what do we got here?
I know what this is. This is the whale or shark.
Alright, don't quite know what I'm going to do with that.
Don't even know.
Perfect. I know what that is. Alright. Okay, so let's put that on there. What we got here? Okay. Alright, that.
Oh, this is the door.
You got the door.
Yeah.
Oh, at least the driver can get in and out.
How's that looking so far?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Alright.
That's the propeller thing.
Well, I'm quite happy with that there. If I can get it on.
Where am I?
Back, maybe.
What is this?
What have we got?
Goes up and down.
I can't even find where bits are on my car now. Alright. Stay on. Shit, go.
Oops.
Alright, what have I got here?
No, I stuffed the whale up.
How long have we got left?
You have got 8 minutes.
I mean, we're meant to be going for 5 minutes, but that's okay.
Alright, well, I'll stop it at 5.
Unless we think we're completed first, before that. Because I reckon mine's done.
You reckon you're done?
Yep. Maybe one more. No, because I know I've got really big pieces on it, so.
I don't think I can even fit anything else on mine. Ah, perfect. Just what I need. Where can we get that on? There.
Even though I can't see it, pretty happy with that.
See what's happening over here. Okay.
Done there or?
Nearly.
Got 1 minute.
Oh, just get this piece on. Alright, done. Are you done?
Yeah, done now. Yeah.
You done? Alright. Can we take blindfolds off now?
You may take off your blindfold.
What the? At least it's got a door to get in.
Oh, I thought I had that. I'm pretty happy with that.
Show us what you got.
So mine's the Sharkmobile, and the shark's entered through the door. It's got like a wing to fly on one side. That's what I was, sort of thinking.
So, this is mine. I can't really describe it. Yeah, I'm not sure what he's doing. His head's on backwards anyway. So, yeah, I think I did pretty good, to be honest, considering I couldn't see what I was doing. I think it's, got a good chance in the race, to be honest. I'm not quite sure what that is on yours, though.
It's the wing.
Oh, it's the
Flies.
wing. Oh, okay.
Alright, well, guys, why don't we get racing?
Yeah,
Alright.
let's do it.
Alright guys, so here the cars are. A couple of modifications to the ramp. Got a tunnel and a little jump now for the cars to go over. So we're going to see which Lego car can survive going down the ramp. So we'll go with mine first, I think. Alright, so here we go with my car first. Let's see how it goes. Alright.
Bit of damage.
My car had 2 bits left on it. Alright, now it's time for Joel's car, and let's see how the Sharkmobile goes.
2 bits.
2 bits.
It's a draw.
It's a draw. Well, there we have it. Alright, so Henry's built car as well. We're just going to put that down the ramp and see how that goes. It's very similar to my car, but you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it on the ramp.
Yeah.
Alright, Henry's car is on the ramp, ready to go.
3, 2, 1.
Where did Lego Man go? How'd that go, Henry?
He's still on there.
No, Lego Man in the tree survived. Looks like you built a pretty good car there, didn't you?
I think I beat our car. Our cars.
Yeah.
Alright guys, for today's video we've got something different. We're here with... No, let's